At least 3. And I know there's probably going to be one in the side area too. You okay? It's not going to be that far, baby. Okay, I know there's one up on the porch area.
Up here?
Yep, that's all I'm saying. Jessica got it.
Is that the last one?
I believe so.
Where?
I said that's the last one.
Is there any in back?
Huh?
Is there any in back?
Okay, remember I said there's one somewhere on the side area?
Yeah, I got that one right there.
There's still something on the side area. It's very obvious. Too far. I'm not telling. Burning up.
Please tell us which side.
Nope. Y'all are warm. Jessica just started getting colder. Up, warmer. Oh, Ducky was on fire. Jessica got it.
Is there anyone in the back?
Let's go.
And I already got one in that hole right there.
Okay. No, Ducky did.